to see the days fall.
Guys, so we are back in the car. Today was just very light. I wanted to teach myself how to deadlift, and that is exactly what I did. I think I'm getting the form down. I'm gonna continue to just keep the plates, either just doing the bar or just doing 10-pound plates on each side until I feel like I'm comfortable enough to get, actually get to get comfortable putting on more weight. I said I want to teach myself how to deadlift. So Sundays I think are going to be my deadlifting days. And yeah, I'm super excited. It is hot in here. I'm not even going to lie. It is currently 10:11. I think I'm going to go clean the car because she needs a clean. She definitely needs a clean, like a vacuum. She definitely needs a wash. So I'm gonna go see if the car wash is open currently. Actually, you know what? Let me look it up, because I do not mind paying for a little car wash. I actually want to wash the car myself by hand, but the way I'm feeling right now, I'm a little lazy. So we're just going to pretty much just go get it washed. But let me look it up. So the car wash is open. I want to do the one by hand. I don't know, like I want to do it by hand, but I'm also kind of like, it's a lot of work. So don't want to pay. It's so hard. Okay, we'll decide. We'll decide, because they're both on, like, they're not on the same side. Cat. You guys are like all the way zoomed in. I dropped my camera the other day and it fell on the lens, and for some reason, you okay, sis? Like, so I dropped my camera and it fell on the lens. So right now we're stuck at one like zoomed in, and I was trying to retract it. I watched videos on how to pull out the lens. I'm a little scared, so I don't want to buy a whole new lens. I was planning on buying like a new lens to get like more of like a crispier look, but that's gonna come later on. And I really want to get my lens out. I can't even retract it in or out, so I'm just like, it's stuck on like this one fixed lens, and I'm so annoyed. Oh, okay, we're gonna wash the car. You guys gonna see me wash the car, because my car is dirty. She is a little dirty. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and write our to-do list. I don't have a lot to do today, but I do have things I need to do today, so let's go ahead and write them down. I have had this thing for years, and I don't really use it that much. I really want to start using like these writing tools that I have that people have been giving me. I don't know, I forget about them. And then I just use my phone, but my phone's not as effective as I want it to be. So we're going to do our to-do list for today. First, we have gym. So this is no particular order. This is just how I'm going to do it. I just wrote down all the things I need to do today. So we have gym, laundry, film, which I'm doing right now, write out content for the upcoming week, edit, which I need to do, prep for classes. I start summer classes this week, so I do need to go over my syllabus before I walk into class. We have fold laundry, but that's a part of laundry, so I didn't really need to put that, so I'm gonna scratch that out. Manicure and pedicure. Today I'm going to be doing my own manicure and pedicure. I'm going to do that after a shower. And then we have applications, which I'm going to put in some applications in. So that is all that we have today. It's not too much of a hassle for today, but I figured I'd just write it down. So we have already done the gym. Oh, I forgot to put down wash car, which I've already done that. So we have gym done and we have wash car. So I'm about to go ahead and start laundry. I think I'm gonna do whites first and then do my colored clothes last. And yeah, let's go ahead and do some laundry. Alright, so let me put down I'm watching the Lerman twins. I think that's how you say the last name. Anna and Lexi. Yeah, I'm watching their video. Yikes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of tidy it up a bit. My sister is in town well, she has 2 more days here. But she's been in town for the last 2 weeks. And because I'm now vlogging, it's a little tricky because I don't want to like invade her space. I'm gonna fold my laundry before I actually microwave my food to eat for dinner. I don't know. My mentality is that like once I'm eating, I just want to sit down and just eat. I don't want to be bothered with anything. I just want to enjoy my meal without being rushed. And when I'm doing things while I'm eating, it's not the best things for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold my laundry and then warm up my food. I think we have some leftover salmon and I do have some chicken wings, so I think I might do salmon, rice, and chicken wings. I don't know yet. The chicken wings weren't bussing when I got them. They were not that good, but I'm kind of craving like something outside of fish, so I might just do that. You guys, I'm like staring at my toes in the mirror and like I usually do not paint my toenails. Like I usually do my own pedicures and just keep my toenails with like a clear color or just like something very nude, but I rarely paint my toenails. Just getting used to like having like painted toenails. Oh my gosh. Like I don't ever have my toenails painted.
Naked and I will forever be oil and water, but we understand that we are family.
Alright guys, so it is like 10 something at night. I've already journaled. I didn't do a couple things on my list today, but that is okay. We always have tomorrow. I did do quite a few things today. But I've already journaled. I've already switched my workout for tomorrow, and something that I've been implementing a lot lately is setting out my clothes the night before, so that way in the morning time I can just put it on and go about my day and not have to worry about it. It will be one less thing that I have to worry about as far as like my morning routine. So I did set out my workout clothes and I did set out my work clothes, so once I get back from the gym I can just put on my clothes and not have to worry about it. Yeah, guys, I do want to get a good night's sleep, so I am going to head to bed a little bit early. I want to be in bed by like 9:30, but I was journaling and I had a lot to write down from my mind. I am going to read a chapter of the Bible, some random chapter. I'm just gonna open it up, whatever I fall on, that's what I'm gonna read. Lately, I haven't been putting much pressure on myself to have like a set schedule of what I read. Just pick something and see what it comes up with. Today was actually the first Sunday in a very long time that I didn't feel like I didn't get anything done, but I was also still able to relax at the same time and decompress. So I'm hoping most of my Sundays would be like that. Most of my days would be like that. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys in this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Night.